Welcome back, guys. So, as we know about Generation 10, we finally know that the new Generation 10, which is going to be wind and waves, which are going to be wind and waves. So, today we'll talk about that and what's going to happen regarding Ash's return. Will we finally see Ash in this new series? I'll tell you everything. Without further ado, let's start the video. So, in the presentations we got to see at the end of May, the new starters for Generation 10 were finally revealed, and they look something like this. I can say that the starters weren't very impressive. I mean, the kinda downgrade that's been going on for quite some time still persists. Persists, but that's okay. Well, what can I say? Expectations from the guys have already decreased in the last few months. But yes, the most exciting thing is that this new generation of Joe will come. I mean, the games are going to come out first, so we'll know about the series later. But there's definitely high chance we'll see Ash return in this series. And what I'm most excited about is how they're going to portray Ash in this series when the Wind and Waves WASO series replaces the games. And will Ash finally be the main character? It's going to be very interesting to see all of this. Besides that, let's look at the starters a little more. Personally, I think the grass starter is the best. Still, if we look at all three, it does seem a little similar to the previous grass type. But yes, it's still quite good. So I can say that if I compare it to the previous one, I find it better because I personally found the Generation 9 starters to be quite bad. So in comparison, this one is still better. And just think about how time is passing. Generation 9 just came out a while ago, obviously. And now the Gen 10 starters have finally been revealed. So you don't have to wait too long for Ash's return, hey? I think Ash's reveal will happen very soon, just like we've already revealed the new generation. Haha. So the name Winds and Waves sounds quite nice to me. Like Sword and Shield, I thought it was a strong name last time. After that, Winds and Waves also seems like a good name. So let's see when we can get a teaser or something for the upcoming series. Hopefully, if they don't make us wait too long and give us a big hint about something related to